Here is Thai yellow curry chicken or Gang Garee. I think you will love it. Hi, I'm Nina. Welcome to Nina's Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to cook yellow curry chicken. It's not going to be as spicy or hot as a red curry or green curry, but it's going to be creamy and savory sweet. You will enjoy every bite of it. Let's get started. Let's start with the ingredient. I have a coconut oil or cooking oil, yellow curry paste, palm sugar, fish sauce, curry powder, turmeric, and coconut milk. I used 19 ounces. For vegetable, we have 1 cup of chopped onion and 1 cup of carrots. I cut it into 1-inch cubes. Next is 2 cups of potatoes. It can be any kinds. For chicken, we need 1.5 pound. It can be chicken thigh or chicken breast. I myself prefer chicken thigh because it will be more tender and more flavor. Now it's time to cook. At medium heat, add coconut oil and then curry paste. We're going to stir it a little bit to get the spice flavor out, and then we're going to add 1/4 of the coconut milk. We prefer to get the top part, which is the rich part. Stir to mix it together, and then we're going to add 1 cup of onion. The onion will add the natural sweet to the curry. Next, we're going to add curry powder and turmeric. Stir until all the spices mix together to be in one texture. And then we're going to add chicken, palm sugar, and fish sauce. Now it's time for the rest of the coconut milk, and stir it to mix it well together. And then we're going to bring to boil and reduce the heat to the lowest heat and simmer it for 10 minutes. Let's take a look after 10 minutes of simmering. Our chicken is good and the texture of the curry is start to be creamy. Now we're going to add all of the vegetable, carrot and potatoes, and we're going to simmer it another 10 minutes. It's done. It smells so good. The texture is perfect. I'm very happy with it, and I hope that you will try it at home. Let me tell you the big secret. You have to eat yellow curry chicken with cucumber salad. Let's make cucumber salad. Starting from sugar, salt, vinegar. Microwave it for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, stir to mix it well and let it cool down. Now we're going to slice cucumber. We don't want it to be too thin because it's going to be soft. We add onion and jalapeno or chili. Mix it well together with the sauce and leave it about 5 minutes, and that's all. It's ready to be served. This cucumber salad also good with any spicy dishes. Now it's time to eat. We have steamed jasmine rice, yellow curry chicken, and our delicious cucumber salad. Let's eat. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and share it with your friends. Bye.